Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So yes, we've got another lucky bag unboxing. Now previously I've uploaded a few Gearbest lucky bag unboxings and I must admit I've been mostly lucky but sometimes unlucky with regards to how much I personally paid for the lucky bag. With that price being compared to the original price you can purchase the product from outright from gearbest.com. So here's how it works. Say I've got this Easter egg right here. Yum yum. And I paid £2 for it in a lucky bag. Well, if after opening it, I find out that the price is indeed £1 to buy outright, then I lose. Then this would be deemed, well, an unlucky lucky bag. And that's basically all there is to it.
Nice.
Go and check out my lucky bag playlist up in the top right hand corner for more info. Today, we have what has been advertised as a smart TV device. I paid around £14.60 for this lucky bag. That's around $18.78 in US dollars. So let's go ahead and, well, let's see what we have. The V88. So we have an Android TV box. It is a Shinshin, is that how you pronounce it? Shinshin V88 Mars. Let me see. Now I do know that there is a few variant different models on the Gearbest website, like the Mars 4K and the Mars 2. But looking at the specs on the side of the box, this seems to be the older, more basic model. Let me just quickly search it out on the Gearbest website, and yeah, here we have it here. Okay, so the standard price right now for this TV box is £23. That's just under 30 in US dollars. So yeah, price-wise, I've got a win. Woo! I got lucky with this lucky bag this time. Quality-wise though, I don't know. This seems to be a very old TV box. Trust me, I mean, I've first seen this maybe a year, 2 years ago. So as TV boxes go these days, I would expect about 2 to 4 gigabytes minimum RAM for online streaming. Well, this TV box does have a basic 1 gigabyte RAM and 8 gigabyte ROM. Everything is simplistic too. I mean, the packaging, just, I don't know, plain. You have the same remote as most of the previous TV boxes that I've reviewed, but you know what? I'm gonna have to test it out. I'm gonna give it a few days to test the smart box out and get back to you guys with a quick review of some of the features, etc. I will definitely upload that video at the same time as this one. So yeah, it should be available in the top right hand corner just now. Go and check it out. For now, I hope you like this lucky bag video. Go and check the rest out. I think I'll leave some links in the video description of a few suggested lucky bags. Go and check them out too. And you know what? I actually like the excitement you feel when you receive the item, even though you're practically, well, buying yourself a surprise gift. Anyway, dudes, please go ahead and share this video wherever possible. I really much appreciate it. Smash that like button. Making sure to subscribe and go ahead and hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated when my new uploads hit your fucking channel. I thank you all for watching and, well, I think I'm gonna eat this chocolate egg. Peace!